Creed is one of the most expensive fragrance houses in the world, and Creed Silver Mountain Water in 100 ml bottles has not been reviewed so much on YouTube. And this video I'm making is for the reason that there are not so many videos out there, and I'm going to tell you in this video that if your bottle of 100 ml Creed Silver Mountain Water is real or not. So when I bought my perfume, this bottle of Creed Silver Mountain Water, I ordered the 100 ml one because I did not want the 120 ml one to be here. So ordered the 100 ml one, and this is the box I got. And the problem was that I had all the reviews of the 120 ml bottle on the YouTube. Here are a few views of real versus fake bottles also, but I also only saw 120 ml bottles reviewed on the YouTube. So I had a very hard time deciding whether this was real or not. I'm still not sure, but if there are any problem, if you think it's still not real, you can comment below, and I'll try to make another video if my side of the story is not true. So what had happened was that I was uh, very concerned that my bottle was not real, because basically in the pictures the Creed Mount Silver Mountain bottle box had silver monograms and silver naming over here, and the writing over here was different, and the box quality was different. It was supposed to have what do you call those Creed markings all over the box, but it did not have it on my one. It was simple textured box. And then there were problems like uh, uh, on this box there was a website for creed.eu, and that site was not opening. So it all led me to a suspicion that maybe this box was not real. So I did a lot of research. I didn't find any movies elaborating this 100 ml bottle, but I'll show you um, a very good site that sells perfume, which is Friends on Net, that they are known to be real perfume sellers. And you can see that if you see the 4 ounces bottle, which is a 120 ml bottle, you can see that the box is like this, with Creed monograms all over the box, and the Silver Mountain Water monogram is silver, and the Creed wordings are different over here. So on the same site, when I go towards the 3.3 ounce or 100 ml bottle, which is costing $294, I get the same bottle that I received over here. And you can see that there's no monograms over here, and the wording is from father to son, since 1760, everything. Again, if you come towards the 50 ml bottle of Creed Aventus, again the bottle is just like the 120 ml one. So uh, when I saw this on site, I thought that this might be true, and I did a little bit research with all my friends and some other friends who had these perfume, and they said that Creed has been going through a lot in the present days, and uh, there are few preparations that are made in France, and few preparations that are made in USA, and few preparations that are made in UAE, Dubai. So that is why the packaging tend to be different throughout different areas of distribution in the different parts of the world. So I just wanted to do a video with showing that all the things in that are indicative of that that this bottle is real in a 100 ml bottle. So in the 100 ml bottle, begin with the boxing. First of all, there's never going to be a cellophane tape on any of the Creed boxes. They do not have cellophane wrappers on their boxes, or they do not have their slip covers also. The box is going to be textured, as you can see, like this over here. It's not going to be simple box. It's going to have a writing of Creed over here from father to son, and the monogram is going to be silver with golden borders, and the main Creed monogram is going to be golden. At the bottom, you can easily look at the lot numbers over here. The reference number is over here, and the lot number is over here, CM3517U01. That means this bottle was made in 2017, and the batch was U01. A, B, C, D goes towards. So it was a late 2017 bottle. On the back is going to say like this, the wordings a little bit history of Creed over here, a little bit of a wording for the Creed over here, and the signature of Oliver Creed over here, and a non-functioning Creed EU website which has been under construction now due to some reasons. The other thing is that on the top you're going to have all these writings over here that is usually written on the front on other bottles. The other thing that was usually missing, that these writings, this one writing is all usually on the inner side and other boxes, but in this box now it's going to be over here. It's going to be over here and written on the top. The card, as we open the box, the card inside has to be the real Creed one. That is usually universal. Golden frames for the pictures of Henry Creed and Oliver Creed is going to be a half folding card, very of the same structure of the box. As you can see, if I get it on light and focus on it, it's going to have the same structure texture as the box has, and it's going to be neatly folded in half. So this is a good giveaway that this is a real bottle of Silver Mountain water. Then coming back to the bottle, when you try to open this up, there's another leaflet inside here. This leaflet tends to vary with different areas. If it's totally in Arabic, that something is wrong with it. It may be a Dubai knockoff, but it is when it comes from other areas like Europe and France, it comes into two languages. One side is written we have the writing in English, and the other writing is in French. And there's another version which there are multiple languages and they are written names over here like French, Arabic, and that one are also genuine. So this is not constant in every bottle, but this one is constant. Now coming back to the bottle, just as you take the bottle out, one thing other that I was very, the bottle should have no imperfections. You can see there's no imperfections throughout the bottle. The cap over here is another thing that is very for a guy who just spent about $300 on a 100 ml bottle, and when you see this cap, I was really afraid that I had been scammed by the seller. But I got to know that usually the caps of Creed perfumes is flat like this and have a rim, a rounded area in the middle with a monogram. But after 2017, they are making all their caps like this. So if you see all the newer versions of the bottles, they're going to have caps like this. So this cap is authentic, but the cap should be silver from the inside, not black, and it should have some weight to it. It is quite weighty, not nothing that's something like cheap or something, but it's got some have weight to it. Also, on the evaporator, there can be and there cannot be Creed written over here. It's not 100% thing that this bottle is not real because there's no Creed written over here. The only thing that is genuinely clear to be having over here is that whenever you take the atomizer off, there is a white grommet inside it. You can see that there is a white grommet border inside it with the evaporator tube also being white. So this is a good giveaway that this bottle is the original one. Secondly, the wording is going to be like this. The wording is going to be very on the lower side, not in the middle of the bottle, and it's going to be very clear. You can clearly see Silver Mountain water and whatever rating 100 ml and 3.3 fluid ounces and from Father to Son. And at the bottom is the main thing. You have seen that the batch code over there that is going to match with your box over here. You can see that I'm taking it upside down, and if you do it like this, the same lot number over here, CM3517UO1, which is over here. It's going to say Creed Aventis made in France, maybe sometimes Paris in the middle, but the bottle you can see that it's equal on all sides, and it's kind of there's no imperfections in the bottle. The bottle is very beautiful, ivory white bottle, and the base of the neck is I think so it had 6 areas of hexagonal lighting, something like that. So all of these things, I've used the perfume. The perfume is exactly the same, smells exactly the same as the 120 ml one bottle I tested in the hotel in the shop. So this was a video showing that 100 ml bottles like this are not fake; they are real. But if I'm wrong in some way, please comment in the videos below. Do give me links to tell me other uh, spots that you, other points that you want to me to pick up, so that which is real and fake. And I hope this video helps people who are buying Creed Silver Mountain water in 100 ml bottles. Thank you and have a good day.